The other day, Brian Stone asked me, "Hey Daniel, could you do a video on how to make text drop into the video and shake the screen?" Yup. Stick around. I'll show you how. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. Today's video is sponsored by the good people at Filmora. What I did was I found this stock footage of a speaker that was blowing some dust out. I thought it would be a good base for the effect we're trying to create. Next, I clicked up on the titles option and scrolled down to lower thirds. I tend to use this particular lower third for text a lot because it's really easy to work with. If I double left click on that in my timeline, it opens up the panel so that I can adjust this particular text. Let's click on advanced and change this around a bit. First of all, this comes with this weird little orange bar that is part of the lower third element. I don't like using that, so down here I'll left click on it, and up top I'll hit the trash can to delete it. Once that's gone, I'm all set to do whatever I want with this text, so I'll click OK from the advanced tab. Now I'll deal with everything from up in the upper left. Let's change this text to something I want instead. I'm going to change the font to Impact, which is a bolder text. And I'm also going to change the font size to something a lot larger. 220 is about as large as I can go by dialing in the specific font size. And now let's move this and center that text. If you look in the left, I have an option for animation. I'm going to choose the down-up animation, which will drop the text down into the screen and then lift it back up. And then click OK. Now for this, I just timed the text to drop so that when it hit, the dust came out of the speaker. It seemed to make a lot more sense. Let me shorten this up so the motion is faster. That seems about right. Now the last thing I'm going to do is in the upper left, I'm going to click on the Effects tab and scroll down to Shake. And I'm going to choose the Kaos feature. I'll drag that down into a track right above my other two tracks, and I'm going to line that up so right when the text hits, it starts to kick in. And there you go, that text drops in and shakes the whole screen and then leaves. Now I added a few other things in here like some sound effects and some filters to make it feel a little more impressive, but all this really is just adding to that visual effect of the text dropping in and creating an explosion. Try this yourself and let me know how it works out. And don't forget to click on this video over here to learn more Filmora tips, tricks, and techniques. Peace.